What is going on, everybody? It has been a minute. But we are going out on a little group ride today, meeting up with a few people. A few of them you guys have seen on the channel before. Nate and Cody are going to be there for sure. I don't know who else is heading out. I am riding 2 up. I got one of my wifeys on the back. And it is chilly today, guys. It's only going to get to like mid-60s, I think. Man, I am so pumped and ready for riding season this year. I'm going to need new rear tires soon. Been riding a lot of 2 up, so haven't been doing my my normal, you know, 180 mile an hour stuff, but still having fun. That's all that matters. All right, and we are here, guys. Let's see if we're the first ones here. Yep, I guess we are the first ones here, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up and wait on everyone to get here, guys. See you back here in a little bit. Alright, you guys, we got a little group with us. We got Sean getting gas, or no, Sean, Josh, we just met him, that's G, Cody, and of course, my baby boy Nate. But we are gonna roll over to SBB. The group ride is out from there. Don't know where we're heading, but probably just gonna go get something to drink real quick.
But yo, that looks nice though. I like it.
What's good, bro? How you doing? How you doing? What's up, man? How you doing? What's up? What up? Hell yeah. Who's Yamaha? Whose Yamaha is this? Hell yeah, gang gang. Alright, you guys, so we actually have a very good ride going right now. We have all types of bikes. We got dirt bikes out here. We are wilding. Sean is back on a bike finally, on a 600, not a slow ass piece of shit. I got him in the mic. And this is where everyone's got to be careful. We already got some wheelies going on, you already know. We got the GoPros out, we are wilding today. ran the red light, so yeah, we all did. Everybody live? Alright you guys, well after that little head-on collision and chilling here for a little bit, we are going to roll out, go get a bite to eat real quick, nothing major. Alright you guys, I am going to go ahead and end the video here. If you did enjoy it, leave a like on the video, and if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, share it with a friend, make sure that the bell notification is on. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video today. And as always, you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.